right, everyone, we are here at the 2015 National Sports Collectors Convention in Chicago, Illinois. We're at the Amazon Sports Collectibles main stage. We're here with Topps, Susan, and Kevin. We're here to break a little Tier 1, 2015 Topps Tier 1 baseball. Show the case right here. Got this right there. We have 33 names in this random. And 3 people are going to get 2014 Topps 5-star baseball boxes, complimentary of Topps. So thanks again to Topps and Amazon for putting this together. We really appreciate it. Here we go. Good luck, everyone involved. We're going to go 3 and a 5, 8 times on the randomizer. So good luck, everyone.
We're rolling the dice.
We'll go the names first.
Yeah.
Good luck. 1. 33, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th and final time, 8. So we have T. Woodruff on the top and JG Fan Forever on the bottom. So paste that right there.
You like
Got that going. Now for the teams and the boxes. Good luck, everyone. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm excited. You excited, Suze? I'm excited.
5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross your fingers. The San Diego Padres at the top. The Dodgers at the bottom. Yep, I got it up there. Oh, the bottom? Bottom.
Fixing the view here for the live shot.
Now I can't see it at all, though. Can't see it at all. Get down to the base and turn that TV.
Can you turn that TV to the
at the base?
At the base. Ah, barely.
Place starting to
What you
fill
guys are waiting for, this is all just part of the process. Make sure everything's on the up and up. Everybody gets their right slot.
Or
can you hear?
Flaps.
You have the privilege of taking part in the first case break at the 2015 National Sports Collectors Convention. Thanks to Topps and Jaspys Hobbyland. We're glad to have both parties up here on stage. And as they work things out,
bring this over.
and the anticipation builds, everybody just wants to see the cards. What's in the cards?
It's a big product.
Nice. Andrew yeah. All right, I'll just scroll down as we go. We'll make it work. All right, so we got T. Woodruff with the Padres. That Sports Gamer with the A's. B.S. Roth with the Kansas City Royals. We got Shandy with the Pirates, his team, right? Your team, nice. Jeff A. with the Rangers. Nick Z0R with the Phillies. Alex B. with the Blue Jays. Go on Vote with the Brew Crew. At Top Cut Breaks with the Twins. Chi-Town Hero with the Braves. Mr. Mint 23 with the Mariners. Finn's Fanatic gets the 5-star box.
I know. I need to,
Code gets the White Sox. Dirty Ev VX gets Nationals. Pet gets the 5-star box. 025 Sports Fan gets the Cubs. Munson gets the Marlins. 101 box breaks gets the Red Sox. Wersch gets the Rockies. Yellen Frank with the Mets. Above Ship gets the Yankees. Jay Munson gets the Astros. Zachary M gets the Tigers. MUT Guru gets the Orioles. Haram F gets the Diamondbacks. Livy gets the Cardinals. Jay Kinsler gets the 5-star box. Ego the Icon gets the San Francisco Giants. Kelsey gets the Rays. Jacob P gets the Indians. Chase gets the Angels. Nathan M gets the Reds. And JG Fan 24 ever gets the Dodgers.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks. You can't hear that, right?
Switch that over. Can we see
All right,
all those
everybody's
teams?
got their slots.
Everyone's got their
Ripping
teams.
Wax and
Everyone see 'em?
Jaspys Hobbyland gonna bust a case at Tier 1.
You
Ready?
switch?
Yeah.
All right. Yep. Okay. Okay.
All right, it's got the box cutter. Need that.
There you go.
All right. This camera. Good luck, everyone. Here we go.
All right. All right. Need to do it 3 times as opposed to 2.
All right.
Tier 1.
Definitely one of my favorite Topps products of the year. Just a
You got it?
very nice. Just straight to the point, straight to the hits. Here we go.
Not
First
messing
box.
around.
Not messing around at all.
Suze is a big Yankees fan, so
Need some Jeter, maybe?
Huge Yankees fan.
huge.
But I
Yeah.
didn't. Who got the Yankees? Anybody out
Who
here?
got the Yankees?
Trade ya.
All right, first one up. This guy's crushing it this year. Number to 399, we got Prince Fielder, bat relic for the Texas Rangers.
Oh. I'm peeking.
Is that good? There we go. All right, Prince Fielder to 399 for the Rangers.
He's healthy this year, finally.
Yeah, he is. This is a nice one. We got 10 of 25 Matt Carpenter 3-color patch autograph. Nice one.
Great looking patch.
That's a great looking patch, yeah. Nice autograph, Matt Carpenter. Cardinals always seem to sell well. And then we got for the Pirates, number to 225, Starling Marte. 130 of 225. Nice first box. Always pull those Pirates, it seems like.
There you go.
Got it? Yeah. All right, pack 2.
Oh.
Another guy crushing this year. 261 of 399. Jacob deGrom jersey. Nice one.
Tore it up at the All-Star game.
Oh, yeah. Nice one for the Red Sox. Number to 299, Koji Urihara on-card autograph for the Red Sox. Koji.
Great job with the pronunciation.
Thank you. I did travel to Japan with GTS and Topps.
There you go. That's right.
So. And then we got 69 of 99, Devin Mesoraco autograph for the Cincinnati Reds. Box number 3. We got Chicken Man, Wade Boggs, dual jersey, 28 out of 50 for the Red Sox. Wade Boggs. Number to 299 for the Atlanta Braves, Freddie Freeman, jersey relic. We got for the Oakland A's, number to 399, Brandon Moss. Oakland A's always busy at the trade deadline.
Always.
Seem to picking up those prospects.
Moneyball.
Yeah. And for the Orioles to 299, Kevin Gausman autograph. Baltimore Orioles.
I think we had a nice mix of teams so far.
Yeah.
On-card auto. How can
On-card
you beat
autographs,
that?
love them.
Collectors just really appreciate that, don't they? I mean,
Oh, yeah.
it's difficult for you guys as a manufacturer, but man, it just makes a difference, doesn't it?
yeah.
It does. It does.
We got to $3.99 for the Red Sox, Alan Craig jersey. Boston Red Sox, Alan Craig. Number to 225 for the San Diego Padres, Tyson Ross. And we got a monster coming up. Wow.
Here we go.
Ooh.
Wow.
Big
Bronze
hit.
Get ready.
Big
ink
hit.
autograph, Hank Aaron for the Braves.
Hammer
On
and
card.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice
Hank
hit.
Aaron. Wow. Very nice.
Good looking sig too.
Nice. Man, Atlanta Braves, congratulations. Whoever got the Braves. Who's got the Braves? Man, that's nice. Man, ours starting off pretty good. We got for the Orioles, number 399, Chris Davis. Crush Davis for the Orioles, 399.
Big time hitter. Big time home run hitter.
Nice. For the Florida Marlins,
Oh,
old
here's a little
school,
throwback.
$3.99, Cliff Floyd. Is that $261 to $3.99, Cliff Floyd. We got a hit for the Rays to $2.99, Alex Cobb. Always seemed like Alex Cobb's autograph for some reason. Very different, unique Alex Cobb. Next box.
I think it's going to be a good box here.
This one?
Yep.
Save it for last?
I think so. A little better than last
Better
one,
than
I
Hank
think. A little
Aaron?
better.
Be careful. They might bring the pitchforks if you're wrong. All right, we got $3.99 Jose Bautista for the Blue Jays.
We bats.
147 to $3.99. This is a nice one. For the Minnesota Twins, number to 50, Rod
What
Carew.
did I say?
One of my
On-card
all-time
autograph.
favorites.
Nice one.
I'm going to keep an eye on Sue's here,
34
just in case
50.
any Derek Jeters
Oh.
get pulled.
Well, Beastie
yeah.
Boys, more hits than
She
Rod
might
Carew.
steal
That's
this
her
one.
PC.
Shane Green autograph to 349 for the Yankees. What is that? 92 of 349.
You are correct.
All right, next box.
Mike D would be mad at me. We get about halfway through.
Halfway through.
All right.
We got Jay Hay for the Braves to $3.99. Jason Hayward. 327 to $3.99. Also for the Braves, number to $3.99, Chris Johnson on-card autograph. Braves always seem to do well in all of our case breaks we do.
Braves box there.
Braves box, yeah. And nice hometown guy, Javier Baez, bronze ink autograph to 25. Nice
There
one
you go.
for the Cubs.
Very nice.
Javier
Great looking
Baez,
card.
23 of 25.
Could be the Cubs' year.
Could be. I think Baez might be on the trading block, sounds like.
Come check out the Topps Tier 1 break going on right now on the Amazon Sports Collectible stage. Check it out right now.
So we got our 4-hit box, and wow.
Here we go.
Pirates.
Good one to start.
Legends Bat Relic, Roberto Clemente to 99. Very nice. That's nice. We got a dual patch, 450. Nick Castellanos for the Tigers. 4 out of 50. Oh, this one's cool.
Nice spin straight.
Jose Canseco autograph to 175. Jose Canseco for the Oakland A's.
It's a pretty nice looking sig.
Yeah, it is. And Aaron Sanchez, a $3.99 for the Toronto Blue Jays. I believe that is the first Blue Jays hit. Oh, we did? Oh, we got the Joey Bass. That's right. First Blue Jays autograph right there. 4 boxes to go. Oh, we got a fat one in here. Mike Piazza. Mike Piazza to 249. Wow. That's nice. For the Mets, We got a potential NL MVP winner
Here
here.
we go.
3-color dual patch, 19 of 25, Paul Goldschmidt for the Diamondbacks.
He's having a heck of a year.
He's having a great year. One of the most underrated baseball players right now. Altuve, Goldschmidt. Nice one. And another New York Met to 399, Rafael Montero on-card autograph for the Mets, Metropolitans. 3 boxes to go.
Nice. Make these some good ones.
And this one right here, there's always good ones, tier 1. Usually the ones that are difficult to open, I feel like have the most punch. All right.
I like it.
We got for the Nationals to 349, Michael Taylor. Rookie autograph for the Nationals. Another underrated player here, in my opinion. Bronze ink autograph 2 of 25, Adam Jones for the Orioles. 2 out of 25. Nice one there. Love the bronze ink autographs.
He was an all-star this year.
And Charlie Blackmon to 399 for the Colorado Rockies.
Good looking swing.
Yeah, giving a little glimpse of his swing right there. All right, 2 boxes left.
2 to go.
Come on, bat knob.
What do you think, Suze? Come on. Hopefully. Oh, here
Not
we
a
go.
bat knob, but it is a legendary bat. We got Ty Cobb, 4 of 99 for the Detroit Tigers. Legends bat relic.
Wait.
This
So-
one might get lost
so-
in the mail right
I know,
here.
you-
Lost in the mail.
Watch Suze on
Lost
this
in
one.
the mail to 399. Pinstripe patch, Derek Jeter for the Yankees.
Number 2, Derek Jeter.
165 of
Nice
399.
nice pinstripe.
This is a very nice box because up next we got Silver Ink,
Oh.
10 of 10, Dale Murphy for the Braves. Man, great case.
It's been a
That is
nice,
a
That's
nice
beautiful
box
right
right
there.
there.
That's a nice
He's
He's got
signature.
a great signature.
you
Dale
can,
Murphy,
You
10
can read
of
every
10.
letter in his
Yep.
signature.
Awesome. And we got for the LA Angels to 399, CJ Crone. LA Angels of Anaheim of Orange County. All right, final box. Here we go. Good luck, everyone.
Let's see what we got.
Come on, bat knob.
Make sure that Derek Jeter's still on the table.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I saw her go in her pocket. All right. 3 cards in here. We got to 399 Mookie Betts, guy who's having a great year for the Red Sox. What is that? 136 to 399.
An incredible catch the other night.
We got this guy has an awesome autograph to 299 El Duque, Orlando Hernandez for the Yankees. That puts a great autograph next to Dale Murphy. That's a good competition right there. And the final hit of the break is going out to the Blue Jays, 38 of 399, Marcus Stroman on-card autograph. Awesome, awesome case. Ton of nice hits. Thanks to Topps again for the grand case break. Amazon Sports Collectibles grand case break main stage at the National 2015. Thanks everyone for watching, and thanks for
All right.
accompanying us right here.
No problem. Great job.